It's a beautiful day out here today. We had a little bit of a storm come through this morning. A little bit of rain, it wasn't too bad. Just gonna go out and check on everything. Do a little work around here. Alright, let's see what's going on. Walk over, check this rain gauge. Got a little bit of water this morning. Not much, but it should help the gardens. Put that trampoline on the old frame we had. I'm fixing to go unload the new frame, put it on a trailer with some more scrap so I can haul off. Yesterday I went and fixed that pool filter. It ran all night. I'll go over here and look. That little filter bag might have worked, because I don't know if you can see it. I do not see no sand in the pool. That's a good thing. It's a real good thing. So you got buckets scattered everywhere. The wind blew them off. I'm gonna go out here and hook up to this little trailer, get it unloaded. Alright, here's the old trampoline frame. We're gonna unload that trailer because I need it. I'm gonna put it on another trailer so I can haul it to the scrapyard. I need that trailer to haul a lawnmower to a friend's house. Let's just check the garden out while we're out here. Everything looks pretty good. Corn, squash, zucchini, corn. Everything looking pretty good. Onions looking good. Well, the carrots putting some shoots on them, aren't they? Ain't nothing nowhere near ready to pick yet though. Except for maybe some potatoes. I could probably get some more of them. Cucumbers starting to shoot up. I was gonna fertilize this morning, but all that rain, I don't think I need no more water right now. So let's check that water and make sure it's off. Peppers are trying to come up. Some more squash right here. Maybe I'll cut this off. Maybe I'll fertilize tomorrow. Say hi to the goat. Hey goat. Fix to make his pen bigger just as soon as I get time. Start driving a pipe. What do you say, goat? There you go. What's up, old goat? Let's see if Sissy and Flicker are doing okay. And naturally, they are going to be at the back of the pasture. Hey, way back yonder. Okay, let's go over here and hook this trailer to the truck. Pull it around by that other trailer so I can unload it and get this lawnmower loaded up. Now we're gonna come over and get this lawnmower. Load up on it. Okay guys, now that we got it loaded, we're going to take the ratchet strap and we're going to strap it down to the trailer. That's what you call a ratchet strap. You can see we got a ratchet straps on there. I know it's kind of bad, but got it wrapped around there. Went through that little shackle. Got it over here on the other side. I'll walk around here to the front. So the front I got strapped to this side. Went around the little bumper. And you got it strapped on that side. We're gonna cinch them up tight. That way your mower don't go nowhere on you going down the road. That one's tight. And that one's tight. Okay, these loose ends we're gonna take, just tie up. These loose ends on these straps we're gonna take and just tie up so they don't get any wheels going down the road. I'm gonna wrap it around here and just tie it back to itself. I'll show you when I'm done. Let me get them tied up. I'll take this one and go through the, tie that seat up so it don't bounce going down the road. Okay, I'll show you what I'm talking about. You see this free end here? I got it tied around there. That way it don't get underneath your tires. This free end here, I got it running up here through the steering wheel, through the seat. That way that seat don't bounce going down the road. It's always a good idea to tie your stuff down that way you don't lose it. Well, that's gonna wrap this up for today. That's all I got for you. But before I leave, I want y'all to go down there and hit that like button or that subscribe button. Tell your friends about it. Also, there's been some folks asking about some how-to videos. I can do that, but you're gonna have to go down to the comment box and leave me a message on what you wanna know how to do around your house, around your farm. There's a lot of people that need to learn a few things. Let me know. We'll walk through it together. All right, y'all have a good day. Bye.